Hello students, I hope you all are fine and keeping yourself safe. So, today we are going to learn a second part of tenses. So, without any delay, let's get started. So students, in our last video, we have learned about simple present tense. In this video, we are going to learn about the second part of present tense, that is present continuous tense. So students, now we will learn that when can we use this present continuous tense. So, we can use present continuous tense when we talk about the action that is going on in the present at the time of speaking. Okay students, we use this present continuous tense with the action that is going on in the present. I would like to explain it with an example. For example, Sita is mopping. Okay students, Sita is mopping and Ram came from the outside, and then Ram asked, "What are you doing, Sita?" Then what Sita will say? "I am mopping," because at that time she was doing mopping. So I hope now you have cleared about the use of present continuous tense. So students, now we are going to learn about the two things to identify any tense. If we know these two important things, we can identify any tense easily. First is helping verbs, second is main verb. Without them, no tense is possible. So, if we know about these two things, we can identify any tense easily. So, first is helping verb. In this present continuous tense, we will use helping verb is MR, and main verb we will use verb's first form, and we will add ing form with verb's first form. For example, play. If we will add ing with play, it will become playing. Read. If we will add ing form with read, then it will become reading. If we will add ing form with write, it will become writing. So these two things are most important part of tenses, because if we know these two things, we can identify any tense. So students, in my last slide, I had told you about helping verb and main verb of the present continuous tense. So now in this slide, I am going to tell you where we can use these helping verbs. So, is, am, are. These are the helping verbs which we are using in present continuous tense, and if the subjects are he, she, it singular, then we will use is. If the subjects are we, they, you plural, we will use are. If the subject is I, then we will use am. We always use am helping verb with I. So students, in my last slide I had told you about helping verb and main verb. So now we will learn about the structure of present continuous tense. Okay students, if we know about the structure, we can form any sentence. So there are basically three types of sentences: affirmative, negative, interrogative. Affirmative means positive sentences. Negative, it means when we say no in the sentence. Interrogative, if the sentence is asking question. So now we will learn affirmative. The structure of affirmative is subject. Subject means who is doing the action in this sentence. Is/am/are are the helping verbs, verb's first form, and then we will add ing with the verb's first form, and then at the last object. Negative, in negative sentence we will just add not after the helping verb, then it will be your negative sentence. So subject plus में is/am/are helping verb plus not. Without not we can't make any sentence negative. Plus verb's first form, and we will add ing to the verb's first form, and then object. Then interrogative. Interrogative means asking questions. When we ask question in the sentence, it will be your interrogative sentence. So we can make any sentence interrogative by two ways. Number one, by putting helping verb at the first. As you can see here in the first sentence, is/am/are, and what are they? These are helping verbs, and we have put them at the first. So I told you then we can make any sentence interrogative by putting helping verb at the first. And then second is by putting WH family at the first. What do you mean by WH family words? When, what, why, whose, whom. These are called WH family words. Okay students? So just put helping verb at the first, and then subject, then verb's first form, and then we will add ing to the verb's first form, and then at the last object. Next is by putting WH family at the first. WH word, is/am/are helping verb, subject and verb's first form, then we will add ing to the verb's first form, and then object. So students, now we will do an exercise to make our understanding better. So in this exercise we will identify that what is subject and which is helping verb and which is main verb, and which helping verb we use with which subject. So now let's start. So first sentence is there, which is already solved. So I am writing now. So here we are talking here about I. So I is a subject and am is a helping verb and writing is a main verb. So in second sentence, you is a subject and are is a helping verb and going is a main verb, and where is a WH family word and it is interrogative sentence. Third sentence, she is a subject and with she we always use is helping verb and working is a main verb here. And in fourth sentence, I is a subject and we always use am helping verb with I, and reading is an action verb, main verb. Fifth sentence, she is a subject and as I told you we always use is helping verb with she, and staying is an main verb here. Okay students, so now note it in your notebook. So students, now we will learn how to change the sentence. How can we change affirmative sentence to negative and negative to affirmative and negative to interrogative? Here I have written all the rules to help you out. So without any delay, let's start. Our first sentence is Tom is drawing a picture now. So it is an affirmative sentence. We have to make it negative and interrogative. So what will be the answer? So when we will make it negative, so first just we have to add not after the helping verb, and here is a helping verb, so we will put not after the is and it will become your negative sentence. So interrogative sentence, so we will make it interrogative by helping verb. Okay, so here is a helping verb is, so first we will put is at the first, then we will write subject, that is Tom, and verb की first form के साथ ing, it means drawing, and then object a picture now. So it will be is Tom drawing a picture now. Next sentence is I am reading an interesting novel now. So negative, I told you, just put not after the helping verb, and here am is a helping verb, and then we will put not after am and it will become your negative sentence. I am not reading an interesting novel now. Interrogative sentence by putting helping verb at the first. So what is helping verb here? Am. So first we will put am at the first, am, then subject I, verb की first form के साथ ing, reading, and then at the last object, that is an interesting novel now. I hope you have understood the concept how to change the sentence. So thank you so much for listening to me.